Hello everyone and welcome back to Piano Lessons with the Kindergarten program. My name is Dennis Wong. Let's get started. So today we will learn how to play Row, Row, Row Your Boat with both of our hands on the piano. And we have one little new thing in this song. So what do we notice if we look at the very first measure? There's a half note that usually gets 2 beats, but right next to it there's a dot. It's right on the side of this note. What this means is that this note is going to get an extra beat. So instead of counting 1, 2, here we would count 1, 2, 3. And if we take a look at this here, which is marked on our printable too, we'll notice that there's a 3 and not a 4. So that means that every measure here, before we have a bar line, gets 3 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is new. Yeah, we could clap the rhythm for this song first. We could point out that there are the little dots and then that it means that it gets 1 extra beat. But besides that, yeah, we will focus on this rhythm a little bit more in some future lessons. Let's get started with the song. So both of our thumbs go on the middle C again. They share this key with each other again. Finger number 4 goes on G. And it starts with finger number 4 on G. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, short, 1, 2, 3. And that's the first part of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. So we'll play it one more time. I just played until here. So again, from the beginning, we have both of our thumbs on the middle C. And it starts with our finger number 4 here on G. 1, 2, 3. So it's basically just G, 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 1 step up, another step up. And then it continues from finger number 2 here. 1 down, 1 up again, finger number 2 again. A short C and a long D. So let's play this one more time from here to here. Continues, we have help there with finger number 5 and the right hand on the G. And then finger number 2 on D. And finger number 2 for the left hand, the B here. And finger number 4 on G for the bass clef. One more time from here. And then it continues with the right hand on D. Left hand takes over for the rest of these notes here. So one more time from here. The right hand is on the D key. Short, long, short, long. I'll play the whole song one more time. That is it for Row, Row, Row Your Boat. I hope you guys will have fun practicing the song together. As always, if there's anything that seems to be difficult during practicing the song, if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you guys. And yeah, I've said it before, but the easiest way to reach out to me and the quickest way is to use the chat option on our website. And I hope to see you guys in the next lesson.